people. So today we are here in the Wall Street, Lahore. So we started our trip here from the food street, the new food street right next to the Badshahi Mosque. And now we are heading to the street where there are, people who are making musical instruments. We'll see how they are making it and how they use those instruments. I'm accompanied by my Turkish group here, and they are really enjoying this tour, seeing this old Lahori life. Here you can see a man is making scissors. There is another shop where you can see some traditional music instruments. Let me see what we got here. Here are some flutes from Heer Ranja. Here is tabla, and Melda is trying some tablas here. Some tablas and dholaks and taflis, as it is called. Here you can see a guy is working on some harmonium. We were accompanied by these Turkish people, so we wanted to show them how these instruments are played also. So now we are in a shop which is making tablas and dholaks and guitars. And we are fortunate that we have found a tabla ustad here as well inside the shop. So now we have requested him to play something for the guests. Right now he's playing is from the KPK side, the Pashto music. Very nice. So here is some more traditional Lahori khedis, as we call them, khedis, and up here you can see khutsas, bakhtuse. I'd rather keep it in Urdu rather than making it, awkward kind of English. And you know what I have noticed during this trip about women. Women and shopping. This is directly proportional. No matter from where they come, you take them to a shop and they will start shopping. Simple as that. Right now we are short of time. We have to visit a couple of Havelis and some other places here. But there is one sound, one voice that is so strong and attractive for any women, and that's here. 100 rupees, everything 100 rupees. So the women are stopped here now. They have stopped here. They are looking for their dresses, and we have no idea how we can complete our tour if we stay. We keep moving at this speed. There's a special kind of discount going on here. He's saying that this dress is worth 5,000 rupees and he's selling it for just 100 rupees. So I really want to go Facebook Live right now to do some marketing right here. It is one of the most famous restaurants in Lahore, Fajja City. The guests here, as they are all Muslims, so they just heard some music coming out of this church here in the walled city, and I think there is some Easter celebrations going on inside. So a couple of our guests have gone inside and they're really enjoying this thing because it is new for them as well. We are at one of the old Havelis here, Haveli of Asmir. And you know, we have left the main streets and the crowded bazaars of this small city, and we are trying to cover all the route from within the narrow streets. You know, they wanted to see these old buildings of like British times and even older than that. Yeah. So right now there is some commercial shooting going on inside the Haveli of Asmir. So you know, they have some kind of contract with the owner of this place, so we are not allowed to enter until they are doing their thing. Also about this Haveli of Asmir, it is one of the famous places here in the area, and the song Bari of Bilal Said, it was recorded on this Haveli. Their favorite part of the trip every day, find a good spot for lassi, where they are all waiting for their big glass of Lahori lassi, but with salt only. So they, you know, the Turkish kind of national drink is ayran, which is also lassi, almost similar to lassi, and that is salted. So they don't like sugar in their lassi, they just want to have salty lassi wherever we go. So we also tried this drink here, which is made of organic, this brown sugar or something like this. So here they are buying some traditional pashmina shawls. At the start of this trip, you know, I was talking with my friend that we have to be around these women because they are doing a lot of shopping here. So we need to make sure that the shopkeepers don't rip them off their money. But you know, women are experts everywhere. The guy in the previous shop, he told them 8,000 rupees for 3-4 things, and they bargained and they paid only 5,000 for all those things after a good argument of like 15-20 minutes. This is where I end my trip for today. Okay, so I have now parted ways with the group as they wanted to visit the Shahi Imam, and then they had to leave for the Waqat water ceremony. And I'm inside the visiting mosque, as you can see in the background. As it is Friday, it's almost time for the Jummah prayer.